we have an opportunity in terms of how we use our sites. Not just our coal-based sites, but all of our sites. And at those locations, we have master plans where colleagues on site, coupled with people from the headquarters here in Düsseldorf, work together to try and find opportunities for future development. Future development that will support the transformation of the company.
We have core generations which have a clear exit path and it's a proactive transformation. We have gas where we want to expand the business and decarbonize it and leveraging our current portfolio. And we have carbon-free generation which we want to maintain and expand. And of course there should be new business. We're converting a lot of sites from coal to gas.
It's an evolution, not a step, and it will take some time. And I think people have really got to understand that. This is not a sudden switch which means my life's changed. It doesn't mean that at all. It means we've got to tackle the issues and come up with solutions and use this period of time to reshape our company. So all of those things give us opportunities for the future. And we see now, today, if we were to travel to Scholven, work starting on the conversion of that station to a gas-fired station. So we're putting these plans into action.